Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful for you. So please watch the video till end. And the only request to you is to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me. So that I bring you much better videos and much more informative videos for you. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So but before we actually start our today's topic, let's take a quick recapitulation of the work which we have done in our previous video. So my dear students, actually we actually were studying oxidation and reduction reactions, and you have written the definition of I have told you the definition of oxidation and reduction reactions also. Let me recall that again. Oxidation and reduction reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. So oxidation, I have actually taught you in detail with examples in our previous video, as well as reduction also. So my dear students, if you don't know if you want to actually learn about oxidation and reduction, then please watch our previous video. And I have also let me tell you again that what is oxidation and reduction reaction. So in oxidation and reduction reaction, what happens that oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. And what is oxidation? Oxidation, I had told you that oxidation is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So this was oxidation, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. And reduction, I had told you, reduction is addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. My dear students, please cram these things, and in the starting you have to cram these things, write them again and again. And so this is oxidation and this is reduction. So please cram these things, write them again and again, and then slowly you will understand all these things. Now today we have oxidizing agent. So what is oxidizing agent? The substance which gives oxygen. The substance which gives oxygen the substance which gives oxygen or takes up hydrogen is actually oxidizing agent, is called oxidizing agent. And what is reducing agent? The substance which gives hydrogen or takes up oxygen is called reducing agent. So these are the definitions of oxidizing agent and reducing agent. And oxidation and reduction we have actually studied in our previous video. So once again, oxidizing agent is that substance which gives oxygen or takes up hydrogen. And reducing agent is that substance which gives hydrogen or takes up oxygen. So my dear students, let me tell you that whether it is oxidation or reduction or oxidizing agent or reducing agent, actually two terms, these are in terms of two things. First is giving oxygen is involved, as well as hydrogen is also involved in all these definitions. So please learn these definitions carefully and attentively and try to understand them attentively, because actually there is much confusion in this in this topic. So please attentively study all these things. Two things are involved here: oxygen as well as hydrogen. Then actually now we will understand these reactions. We will now take some examples to understand these all these things: oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized, substance reduced. All these things actually we will now study through examples. And my dear students, one question from this topic is generally asked in your final exams. So let's now understand all these things through examples. And please learn these definitions also. Sometimes even these definitions are asked in paper, final exam. So now we will understand all these things using examples. Let's take a equation, chemical equation. Copper oxide plus hydrogen is equal to copper plus water. Now see this reaction very carefully. What is happening here? Oxygen is being removed. So there is removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen. And removal of oxygen is what? Reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction. So we will write this reduction. And here what is happening is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen, because in hydrogen actually oxygen is getting added. So addition of oxygen is oxidation. So there is oxidation. Now you can understand actually in this particular reaction both reactions are actually simultaneously taking place. So this reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. And now we have to understand Oxidation we have actually shown here in this equation, reduction we have shown. Now we will we will understand what is oxidizing agent here. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is that substance which gives oxygen. So here copper oxide will give oxygen. Oxygen is with copper oxide. So CuO is oxidizing agent. And reducing agent, reducing agent. Obviously reducing agent is hydrogen, because reducing agent is that which gives hydrogen. And substance oxidized, substance oxidized. Which substance is getting oxidized? Where is oxidation? Oxidation is here. So it is hydrogen which is getting oxidized. And substance reduced, where is reduction? Reduction is here. So copper oxide is getting reduced. So my dear students, we have written all these things: oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized, substance reduced. And the answers of these questions will be actually will be here in reactants. So please don't actually look for the answers in products. Answers of these questions will be in reactants. So try to understand this carefully. Then let's take one more equation. To understand all these things, H2S plus chlorine is equal to sulfur plus HCl. Now my dear students, this is equation we have. Now this is again example of oxidation and reduction reaction. So H2S is changing into S and Cl2 into HCl. So here removal of hydrogen. With sulfur there is no hydrogen. So removal of hydrogen. So what is removal of hydrogen? Oxidation. And here addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. So what is the addition of hydrogen? Reduction. So reduction is shown here and oxidation is shown here. Now third thing is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. My dear students, this equation is actually in terms of hydrogen. So the simple way to actually know reducing agent and oxidizing agent, it is convenient if you actually write reducing agent here first, because reducing agent is that substance which gives hydrogen. So H2S, hydrogen is actually with H2S. So this is actually reducing agent. So H2S is reducing agent, and obviously oxidizing agent will be Cl2. Once we actually locate oxidizing agent or reducing agent, obviously the second will be the opposite of that. Now the substance getting reduced, oxidized, substance oxidized, and you always find answers in reactants. Substance, where is oxidation? Oxidation is here, so H2S. The substance getting oxidized is H2S. Substance reduced, obviously Cl2. So my dear students, I think that all these things are clear to you. Let's take another example, one more equation. Zinc oxide plus carbon is equal to zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. Again, this is uh, oxidation redox reaction. Now here removal of oxygen is there. You can see this clearly. So removal of oxygen. And what is removal of oxygen? Reduction. And here we can see very clearly addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. So what is addition of oxygen? Oxidation. So my dear students, I think this is clear to you. Then third thing to write is oxidation. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Now this equation is in terms of oxygen. Oxidizing agent is that which gives oxygen. So zinc oxide is oxidizing agent in this equation. So zinc oxide. Obviously carbon will be reducing agent. So reducing agent is carbon. And the substance which is getting oxidized, substance oxidized or oxidized substance, oxidized substance is, where is the oxidation? Here, C. And substance reduced or reduced substance, where is reduction? It is zinc oxide. So my dear students, I think today what I have taught you is clear to you. Now I will give you some equations where you can practice all these things: oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized, substance reduced. So I am giving you some equations to practice all these things. Equation number 1 is sulfur dioxide plus H2S is equal to water plus sulfur. One more equation, H2S hydrogen sulfide plus iodine is equal to hydrogen iodide plus sulfur. So my dear students, I have given you these two equations to do actually write all the things as I have told you in the examples which I have taken. So actually try to find oxidation here, reduction here, and try to find oxidation, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized, substance reduced. So try to find all these things yourself. So my dear students, this is all for today, and if you have any doubt, then please write in comment box, and if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. So my dear students, this is all for today. So thank you very much for watching this video. So keep learning, keep watching our channel, and keep growing. Thank you.